Hi there, welcome to Bird Pickup Delivery. In this video, I will show you exactly how to enable local delivery in Shopify using its built-in options. I will start by showing you how the standard checkout flow looks right now. I will click Buy Now on this product and head to the checkout page. You will see only one rate available here, standard shipping. To confirm this, I will go to Shopify Settings, I will click on Shipping and Delivery, and then I will open the general profile. As you can see, standard shipping is the only rate configured here. Now I will set up local delivery for a specific zip code. I will go back to shipping and delivery, and this time I will select local delivery. You will see a list of all locations registered with your store. I will click on this location and I will enable local delivery for it. I will scroll down and you will see two ways to define your delivery zones, by zip codes or by delivery radius. I will select zip codes first, and you will find an existing zone already configured here. I will open it and walk you through how it is set up. This is the zone name, followed by a comma-separated list of zip codes it covers. Below that, I will show you where you set the minimum order value and the local delivery price. You can also add a custom message that customers will see at checkout for this rate. I can also add conditional pricing here. Now I will save the settings. Now I will go back to the product page and I will click Buy Now. I will enter an address with the zip code 11219, and you will now see two rates at checkout. The first is standard shipping, and the second is our local delivery rate with the custom message and a $25 fee. To verify it is working correctly, I will try a different address outside our delivery zone. As you can see, only standard shipping appears. Local delivery is not shown for addresses outside the defined zip codes. Now I will show you how radius-based local delivery zones work. I will head back to local delivery, I will enable it, and you will see three pre-configured radius zones. The first covers 0 to 10 miles, the second covers 10 to 20 miles, and the third covers 20 to 30 miles. Each zone has its own name, radius limit, delivery price, and a short delivery description. These are configured in miles, not kilometers. Keep that in mind when setting up your own zones. I will now test each one at checkout using three different addresses. I will enter the first address and you will see it falls within 0 to 10 miles. The correct zone is shown. I will enter the second address and you will see it falls within 10 to 20 miles. Correctly identified. I will enter the third address and you will see it falls within 20 to 30 miles. The right zone shows up again. Now, I will show you the email notifications that come with local delivery. I will go to Settings, then I will click on Notifications, and then I will select Customer Notifications. You will see three email templates specifically for local delivery. The first is Order Out for Delivery, the second is Order Locally Delivered, and the third is Order Missed Local Delivery. All three templates are fully customizable. I can click Edit Code to modify any of them. I can also send a test email from here to make sure everything looks right. That is everything you need to know to set up local delivery in Shopify using its default options. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at our support email support@birdchime.com or visit our website birdchime.com for more details. We also have an app that handles shipping, local delivery, and pickup seamlessly with lots of additional features. You can check that out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.